Aktar minn 20,000 persuna inaqdu id fit għal wieħed, dak tal-imħabba. Minn Triq Sant'Anna lil-wien meraviljużi il-karrijiet, il-mużika u n-nies b'daħqa fuq wiċċhom iddominaw il-Pride March ta' din is-sena. L-attività li kienet il-qofol tal-attivitajiet tal-Euro Pride Valletta 2023. Crew ta' One News żar iċ-ċelebrazzjonijiet u mal-mikrofonu tagħna ħafna nies kemm Maltin u barranin ridu jaqsmu l-ferħ kbir li qed iħossu għax qed igawdu flimkien din il-ġurnata li toħloq aktar kuxjenza fuq l-ugwaljanza.
Nħossna ħafna ferħat. I'm so proud.
Absolutely amazing. It's so great. Like looking everyone being so happy and just like the sense of community and everything is just that's something that I absolutely love about Malta.
Nħossni vera kuntent li qiegħed hawnhekk illum u ma nistax nemmen kemm hawn nies madwarna dis-sena. It's amazing. I love to be loud and proud and out. In Malta I feel amazing.
Kuntent ħafna, hawnhekk hawn ħafna nies bħalna, kulħadd maqut, ħafna mħabba u love is love.
Ftit momenti qabel ma bdiet il-Pride March in-nies kollha b'sentiment wieħed faħru dak kollu li għamlet Malta għal persuni LGBTIQ+. Tkellmu dwar kif mill-2013 meta l-Partit Laburista ħatmun tal-pajjiż fideh dew riformi kbar fil-qasam tal-ugwaljanza u l-persuni LGBTIQ+ waslu biex jingħatalhom dak li qabel kien biss ħolma. Persuni barranin li ġejjin minn pajjiżi differenti madwar id-dinja fosthom mill-Ingilterra u s-Serbja tennew kemm huma grati li jistgħu jkunu parti minn din il-komunità tant sabiħa f'pajjiżna.
It's great to be here. I really like Malta. It's a very nice island and it's kind of interesting to see all these different perspectives put all together. And yeah, you can feel a very different way of life actually. Like you feel really accepted here, I guess.
Malta's a beautiful place, Malta very diverse. The history of Malta is diverse and we love that diversity.
Amazing! I love Malta and I'm here first time in my life in Gay Parade. And it's amazing for the people to dancing and feeling free. So
we love Malta. We're having a fabulous time. Delighted to be at Pride.
It's fantastic to come somewhere like Malta that's so progressive. We're from London and just being here with everyone from so many different countries and backgrounds to be able to celebrate and be ourselves is amazing.
I feel really great today. I come from Serbia and we had Euro Pride last year and it's like nothing like it is right now over here. It's like fourth time that I come to Malta, like have a lot of friends here. And there's no place like here that when it comes to equality and and like love in general. It's really nice.
Staqsejnihom ukoll biex iwasslu messaġġ ta' mħabba u solidarjetà lil dawk ta' madwarhom. Kollha rimarkaw li lan aħħari ta' dan kollu jibqa' li kull persuna madwar id-dinja tgawdi minn drittijiet ugwali.
Tkun parti minn din laqda kbira ta' mħabba ma tistax tgħid ma rridx inkun hemm. Jiġifieri it's a must. It's a must. Tajjeb li saret Malta u fl-istess ħin fimta għandha xi ikunu kbirin li nistgħu naċċettaw din il-ħbiberija kollha.
Ja għalija Pride mhux ġast għall-LGBTIQ imma hija festa ta' mħabba, so kulħadd huwa mistieden, kulħadd jista' jiġi, festa li niċċelebrawha ma' Malta kollha. I mean hija bżonn juża.
I think there is still things to do. I think nothing is ever perfect, of course, but there's great things that has been happening and I think that we're going to the right direction. And obviously, just love. Like, that's pretty much literally the only thing that we're doing here today. We're marching for love, we're marching for equality.
Waqt din l-attività attenda l-Prim Ministru Roberta Bella li ntlaqab merħba sabiħa mill-folla waqt li l-Pride March bi briju li ma bħala imxiet lejn Pjazza Tritoni. Il-Prim Ministru kien akkumpanjat minn diversi membri parlamentari laburisti, fosthom il-Ministru għall-Intern Byron Camilleri, il-Kummissarju Ewropew Helena Dalli u s-Segretarju Parlamentari għar-Riformi u l-Ugwaljanza Rebecca Buttigieg.